it's quarter 1, week 6, and today is Wednesday. For number 1, how do we go up the tier? What are we doing? Okay, so what will go up in the box? Okay. Number 2. Jim had $8.10 when he went to the store. When he got back, he had $3.49. How much did he spend? How do I solve this? Okay, making sure you line up the decimals and borrow when needed to. So I have to borrow, so we got 1. Borrow again. 6, $4.61. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, number 3, how many of you forgot how to find surface area? Perfect. Figured that. Okay. The surface is what's on the outside of something. Okay, do you guys understand that? So if I have, I'll just put this in the next box. If I have this box and I'm trying to find the surface area, okay, it's kind of hard to get this. You would take the area of every side, so the area of this, plus the area of this, the top, the sides, all of the side, you find the area of all of it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So if it's this is a cube, so all of the sides are the same, right? Okay, and we need to round to the nearest whole number. So I would find the area of one side, okay? Are you with me on that?
Yeah.
So I would take 8 and 1/8. Oh, thank you. Times 8 1/8. But before I do that, I have to
Improper fraction.
improper fraction. So it would be what, 65?
5/8.
8 times 65 eighths. Tell me if I did it right. 4,225.
Yes.
Okay. Can't do that without showing work. You have to show 65 times 65, don't you?
Yes.
Because you're not getting a calculator, so do it.
I did.
Okay. And then I know 8 times 8 though is 64. Okay? That would be the area of one side, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to change this already into my whole number. So I'm going to take my 4,225 divided by 64. It doesn't go into 42. It has to go all the way to 422. I guessed about 6 times. So then over to the side I did 64 times 6 to get 4,200. Wait, what did I do? Oh, wait. Where am I making? I'm making up here.
64 times 6 is 384.
384, I know. Okay, so that's right. 384, sorry guys. And then I got 12 minus 4 is 8. I have to borrow. 11 minus 8 is 3. Bring down my 5. Goes in there 6 times. Again, right? 1 left. Add a decimal, bring it up. Add a 0, bring it down. Does it go into 6? Does it go into 10?
No.
No. Can I stop there?
Yes.
Because it says round to the nearest whole number, right? So one side, the area is 64. How many sides are on a cube? So I take my, why did I say 64? You guys didn't catch it. 66, and I take that times 6, because there are 6 sides. So 666 is 396. So that's a lot of work to show for number 3. Did anybody get it right? Nice. Yeah.
So I was 1 off because I did the multiplication with the fraction, 1 to 2, and it turned out to 3/4.
You can't. You cannot do that with with fractions, you always have to change it to a improper fraction.
No, wait, like, at the end, when it was, 66,
Here? I'm glad you're looking for your mistake. Go ahead.
like, added wrong, when I was figuring out, but.
Oh, cause you made it 66 and 1/8. It should have been, so then you rounded it to 66. But it wouldn't be 1/8 though, that's the only error you made.
Yeah.
It should have just been, no, 66 and 1/8. But you're still getting 396.
Yeah, it would've been.
Alright, moving on to number 4. It's a long division. Like, it takes a long time, cause it says write it as a repeating decimal and it takes forever to get it to repeat. 7 goes into 17 twice. 14, 3 left. So then I'm gonna add my decimal and bring it up. You guys, I like it how on many of your papers, I see all of these lines like you're supposed to. If you're not, you better be doing it with pen. 7 goes into 30 4 times, which is 28, 2 left. Add a 0, bring it down. 7 goes into 20, 2 times. 14, which is 6 left. Add a 0. 7 goes into 60. 8, which is 56. 4 left. Add a 0. Goes into 40. 5 times. 5 left. Add a 0. Now it goes in there. 1 left. Now 7 goes into 10.
One whole time.
Once. Now it goes in here. How many times does it go in? 4. So am I now at my repeated?
Yeah.
Cause I finally got back to the 4. So then you put a line over all of that. Number 5. So you better fix it.
Can I just add it on to what I had already?
Yeah. That's fixing it. Ed earns $8 per hour, so I've got $8 per 1 hour. Write an equation to show how many hours he needs to work to earn $86. So my 86 is going to be on the top or the bottom? Top. And what's on the bottom? Show it as a ratio. Then show it as 8x equals 86. And you can have the dollar signs or not, I don't really care. Which property is demonstrated here? Why is it associative? What am I moving? The parentheses are moving, and that's like I have an association. Make sure you spell it correctly. Associative. Because I think when I work with an association, I think of groups. And when I think of groups in math, I think of the parentheses. Write an expression to represent the perimeter. So perimeter is just doing what? adding all the sides. So I just copy it all down, 6a plus 8 plus 12a plus 6a plus 8 plus 10a minus 4. It's a lot of work there, right? Combine like terms. Like terms means like anything with the same letter. So I have a 6a, 12a, and take the sign in front of it. Another 6a, 10a. So 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 12 is 24, 24 plus 10 is 34. So I've got 34a. You can do that, like that math in your head, as long as you show me that you're circling or somehow how you're combining them. Then I have my positive 8, which is what? 16, and then 16 minus 4. So it'd be a plus 12. And 8 says we need to solve it. So the perimeter is 250 equals 34a plus 12. Did I put 34a plus 12 equals 250? Yes, it doesn't matter, you're still solving it the same way. Draw your line, and then box my 34a, subtract 12 on both sides, show that those cancel each other out. This equals 34a, and what's 250 minus 12? 238. Then I box the a and divide by 34. Oh, thank you. And what is it? 7. So 7 equals a, and then I rewrite it a equals. Oh jeez. Now I have 10.
Yes.
Alright. Make sure you're showing all of the work, guys.